Welcome to the Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2. Brother, how's it?
I'm fine, thanks. And you say?
Good man. Sibanye supporter. Your comment on the game tonight?
Mr. Ngobo say, we are very proud of our boys. They scored 2 against Africa's #1. So we are very proud of our boys. They played Mutsepe. We are very proud of them. So we are here and proud Sibanye supporters. Sundowns players and members, they cannot tell us anything. We scored 2 against them, and the referee gave them the fifth goal. That you can see on the on Monday on the Sports at 10.
You think it was offside?
It was offside. Rest assured. Make no mistake, we are proud of our boys. From the Free State, Sibanye, Tinezen, our boys made us proud.
And then who was your best player at Sibanye tonight?
He was a sub and he scored the second goal. He made very difficult work. He managed to score against Africa's #1. And he was defensive. So I'm proud of that boy because I went to school with him. So I was very proud of him.
Beautiful man.
Thank you.
Good luck for tonight. All the best.
All the best. Thank you. We're gonna take it.